Hi, I'm Dave Ruddy with Midwest Technical Institute, and I'm here today to present the MTI WQAD Score Standout of the Week to Nola. Is it Tapia, right?
Yep.
All right, very good. Well, congratulations on that.
Thank you.
Now, just for the record, Noah, if you could just go ahead and state your name, your high school, and your sport.
Noah Tapia, Moline High School, wrestling.
All right, very good. Now, what is the best part about playing, or I guess doing wrestling?
I think it's the intensity of it, just every day going in the room, scrapping, getting chippy with your teammates, but at the end of the day, you guys are all friends, but it's just being intense and going hard.
Okay, good. What's your biggest motivator in life, both on the both kind of on and off the mat, so to speak?
I think in everything I do, it's just do it better than I did it the last time. So if I can just keep improving on whatever it is, I know I'll be all right.
Okay, very good. And what are your plans or goals that you have after high school?
So after high school, I'm going to go wrestle at Hofstra University.
Oh, nice.
Not sure what I want to do yet, but
Okay. All right.
Good
Very
focus
good.
on that.
Very good. Oh, I got a couple additional questions here for you. So, how has being an athlete made you a better student, and how has it helped you to kind of grow as a person?
I think it's taught me to do the things that I don't want to do, whether it's an extra run or staying up late to get that homework assignment done. It's just getting the things done that I don't want to do.
Ah, gotcha. And then one more question. If you could give freshman athletes in your sport one piece of advice, what would it be?
Do the hard things. Don't pick the easy way out. Do what you think a champion would do.
Okay. Very good. Congratulations, Noah. Noah with Moline High School, our score standout of the week.